Well, let me tell you, when I had my time at Francesca's and I dressed these mannequins, this would not fly, this would not fly, and this would not, absolutely not fly. I'm back to hosting Liam's vlog for today, and I would just like to say, I know you guys have all missed me here on the vlog because I am, you know, what is it called? Like the glue. I am the glue that holds this vlog. Oh, nice car, nice car.
Oh, wait, no, yeah.
I'm running like Liam just, no. I missed it. I am the glue that holds this vlog. It was a Ferrari. I am the glue that holds this vlog together. And I know you've all missed me, but Liam hasn't been allowing me to hold his camera. Actually, I never want to because he always includes everything I say, and it's super embarrassing. Okay, bye!
Bonjour again. We are back in France, in Nice, and we're staying at this awesome condo up on kind of like a little mountain. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this place though. It is beautiful. We only got half of it because the other half is for the family that owns it, but oh, it is so nice. The plan for today is to hit up 2 cities actually. When we were originally planning this trip, we wanted to stay in Monaco, but it is so expensive. So we thought Nice would be the next best thing, and it's only like a 24-minute train ride away from Monaco. So first half of the day, we're gonna be exploring Nice, and second half of the day, we're going to Monaco. These are called calisons, and 4 or 5 months ago I was watching a Discovery Channel how it's made, and these were on, and I saw them and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to France, I have to get one. And then of course when I came here I completely forgot about them the first time, but in this little market we were walking by and I saw them and I was like, oh my gosh, calisons. Calisson. Calisson. It's basically like a little almond pastry. It's pretty good. It's kind of like marzipan, because marzipan's made out of almonds, with like a little frosting on top. It's quite good. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty.
Yeah.
This is like probably one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been on.
You gotta feel the water.
I have a buddy back at home. His name's Josh. He was originally actually supposed to come on this trip. He and I actually started planning this trip like 2 or 3 years ago, and it was just gonna be me and him. He ended up bailing near the end because I wanted to be all responsible and go to school and whatnot. But he told me that one of his big inspirations for wanting to travel was after watching this TV episode. I don't remember what show it was, but it had this guy longboarding along Venice Beach in California. And after watching that, he was just like, I just want to travel. Well, this isn't Venice Beach and I'm not longboarding, but Josh, this is the next best thing, man. quick pit stop for lunch, then we head into Monaco. Look at the dogs here. Oh, you're so cute. You're too big guy. Okay, see you later. We have 8 minutes to do a 12-minute walk if we want to make our tram to catch the right train to Monaco.
We did it.
We had another 2 minutes to spare. That was totally closed. We are in Monaco, and look at that! Oh my goodness! Dang, it's so pretty here. Oh. Fancy car number 1. Maserati. Fancy car number 2. GoPro.
No, we can't climb down. Look, go right over there and walk down. Let's fall down.
No, I'm just gonna fall down.
GoPro, stop recording.
Okay, note to self, do not put your camera on a slippery ledge to get a time lapse. I mean, to be fair, it wasn't actually the ledge that caused it. I actually turned around and bumped it with my bag. But oh my goodness, that was scary. It landed inside there, which is a construction zone, so I'm not actually allowed in there. So I had to hop the fence and get it and get out real fast. Luckily nobody was in there, but oh, that was terrifying. Camera's okay though. We are at the Monte Carlo Casino right now, and my goodness, it is fancy. So it was featured in 3 James Bond movies, Casino Royale, GoldenEye, and Never Say Never Again. So, I don't know what to say about that.
The name is Bond. James Bond.
You've never seen James Bond?
No, I totally have.
Which ones?
Once Upon a Time. No, I haven't.
Not a James Bond movie.
It's not?
No. We're gonna see if we can go inside, but I'm pretty sure you have to be uberly dressed up, and it may cost money to go inside. We're gonna try. We're allowed to go inside. This place is magical. Allie's little brother told me to do this, and it was an inside joke between me, him, and Allie like a while ago. And Colby, I know this is late. I'm sorry, but here we go. Oh, did you have tomato sauce for lunch? Yes!
That was so good.
You have no idea how many times I tried that after her brother told me to. Huh. Anyways, that's it. That's all for Nice. I forgot to record an outro there because
we had a bit of a crisis near the end. I'm not going to explain it right now. You're going to see it in my next vlog. But it was a doozy. Anyways, our next spot is Milan. Yes, Milan. I know we've already been there, but it has to do with our crisis. You'll see. So I'll see you guys in a few hundred miles.
Alison,
William?
shall we go into the Hermitage?
Oh no, it's much too poor for me.
Oh, you're right on the job.